morning, everybody, and welcome back. Well, yesterday I was working on this battery and I had a little sparks going on there, but I was trying to unsolder these things to get this computer board off of this case where these batteries are at, because I want to get these 3.5 batteries out of here to recycle them. And my soldering gun would not work, so I went to Harbor Freight and I got me a new one. I hope this one works. I hope it works. I had one like this before and it didn't get as hot as I needed it to either, but maybe the new ones, maybe they work a little bit better. But I got this from Harbor Freight Tools, and let's try it out and see if it's going to work, and see if I can get this battery pack taken apart. Well, before we get started, let's see what's in this welding kit. It's a 100-watt soldering gun kit from Harbor Freight, Chicago Electronics, or Electrics. So let's just see what's in this bad boy. Also, if you have any questions about anything, don't hesitate to shoot me a message down below. And don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So this soldering gun does look better than the one I got before. Looks pretty nice. It's got, let's see how long this cord is here. Let's see. Yeah, that's going to reach my plug. That should be okay. So we're going to leave the soldering gun out. We're going to leave some solder out to prime that. As you need it, you just pull a little bit more out. There you go. That's pretty good. And then some flux. It's not a flux capacitor. This makes the solder stick better. And then it comes with 2 extra tips here. So now we don't need this. We'll get this out of the way. So that's it for the soldering gun, what was in the box. Now let's see if it works. Okay, so it's got a little light on it there, so when you push the button you know that it's on, I guess. And I got my little solder sucker here, so let's just go right here and see if we can melt this and get it off of there. It's getting a little liquefied there. Yeah, it's melting it. Got as much of that off there as I can. Now let's see if I can do anything with this one. Well, this is going to take all day. If you guys have any suggestions, post them down below, because I don't think this is going to work either. I mean, it might work. It's going to like take all day. I hate to just break the thing apart and cause a short out and hurt myself. So I would like to get this off of here. This is not going to do it. It's not going to do it. So I'm going to give the soldering kit a thumbs up from Harbor Freight Tools. It's a good soldering gun, but that solder on there was just too hard to heat up to get it off of there. This is Harold signing off.